Welcome back, family, to Christine's Jamaican Kitchen. So today I have the baby with me. So we've been on the road all morning looking for a computer because we're under quarantine still. So we're doing homeschool, so we had to get. So just got home and we're just gonna whip up something really quick. So we're gonna do coconut shrimp. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that
like and subscribe button.
Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more wonderful recipes like this available. Go ahead and do so now. This is all my ingredients that I need for this dish.
Okay, so we have our lemon pepper, our black pepper, our garlic herbs, our Maggie all-purpose seasoning, our parsley flakes, of course paprika, some salt, oil,
scallions, spicy pepper, thyme, onion, garlic, ginger, bell pepper, coconut milk or juice, butter, lime, vinegar, your seasoned shrimp. So my shrimp is already washed with my vinegar, my lime, and I get the raw shrimp, which is already clean and ready. So all I have to do is just wash it with the water, the vinegar, my lime, and I have already had it seasoning and sitting here. So right now I have scallion thyme, I have my garlic on it, and I have my powder seasoning. So this is what left from all of my measurements. Don't forget, I always have my measurements in the description box below. So I already put some on my shrimp, so I have this to add to my milk, my coconut milk when it's boiling. Kimberly, over here we have our scallion or thyme, pepper, garlic, piece of ginger, all washed and chopped and ready. So let's go wash our hands and go. Kimberly, don't act so awkward. Okay, so let's go wash our hands and go cook.
But I wash my hands all the time, so.
Just want to show you again the amount of bell pepper that I use. And the ginger, just a pea size amount of ginger, just a pea size. And of course I scrape the ginger so I get the skin off. I take the skin off it, just a pea size. So let's go over. Give me, stop doing your eyes like that. So I am ready to add my oil to my pot. So I'm just doing 1/4 of our oil because I love to saute my stuff. So Kim, and of course the pot is hot.
That's tempting me to touch the pot.
No.
No?
No. Okay, can you bring me the seasoned shrimp? You see how your pot is hot? You see what it's doing? You see the oil? Look at that. All right, so we're ready to saute. We're sauteing for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of sauteing, because you know you want to saute because you want it to get a little bit of color. So after sauteing for 10 minutes, I'm ready to take it off and set it aside. Can you hand me that other pot, please? You're gonna put it on. There you go. Thank you. And by the way, while sauteing, I turned my flames down to medium heat. So now I'm ready to turn it back up. And I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Can you grab me that coconut milk over there, honey? I'm just gonna like that. I'm just gonna add the coconut milk. Oh my gosh. So actually I get like 2 cups of coconut milk from this can right here. Thank you. At this point, I'm just gonna add my chopped seasoning. And I did do a whole of a pepper. I didn't cut my pepper. Thank you, hi. So you want to bring your coconut milk to a boil. Coconut milk, coconut juice. Rest of my seasoning. The rest of my powder seasoning. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Just gonna turn my flames down to medium low heat, because at this point I want it to just simmer. Really quick and easy, guys. Really quick and easy. Easy does it. Easy. Easy. Yeah. Look at this. And of course, it's, you know, to taste. So, you know, you taste it to see if you need any more salt or any more seasoning. But it's to taste. Dinner ready, dinner done, and it didn't even take us a long time. How many minutes it took us?
Like around 30.
Because not even so much, because I did 15 minutes of sauteing and then I cook it down in the coconut milk for 10 more minutes. Lord Boxfoot, dinner done. Dig in, baby, dig in. Oh,
Immaculate.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, guys, I gone yam my dinner. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.